Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to set up and use the QR scanner. We'll walk through the setup process and demonstrate how to scan products and cards. The QR scanner is only compatible with computers and PayPro. On mobile, you can scan barcodes by using the built-in camera. To connect the scanner, simply plug the USB connector into a computer or PayPro and we are ready to start scanning. The scanner can read barcodes and QR codes. Simply press the button and point at the desired code. The scanner will beep when successfully reading a code. The scanner also comes with a stand, which will need to be assembled. Grab the top half and rotate the middle piece so the stand arches upward, then snap onto the base. The scanner will rest on the stand. When docked, the scanner will automatically activate whenever an item is held nearby, allowing us to quickly scan items. In Vagaro, we can use the scanner when managing our inventory settings. We can scan a barcode to locate a specific item in our system. When adding new products, the first step is to add the barcode, which we can simply scan. Finally, if we need to subtract products from our inventory, we can scan each item to be removed for fast and accurate counts. During checkout, we can use the scanner to add items to a customer's shopping cart. Select a customer, then scan the desired items to sell. Vagaro will immediately add each item to the shopping cart. If we purchase plastic gift or membership cards, the scanner can be used to register the cards to clients. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Vagaro, check out our Help Center for more information.